Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Premiere Pro, open your sequence and add a type layer above the footage. First, choose a bold font and set the base fill color so contrast is clear. Next, move the text clip to V2 and lock other tracks to prevent accidental changes. Once done, convert the text to a graphic if needed, because effects apply more predictably. Make sure to name the layer for easy selection. This saves time when adding multiple effects or creating templates for later. Now apply the invert effect to the text layer or an adjustment layer above it. Select the channel options. RGB inverts all colors, while red, green, or blue lets you tweak the look. If you only want the text inverted, create a mask around the text using the opacity controls or use Track Matte Key with a pre-comp. Once adjusted, fine-tune contrast with Lumetri color. This prevents washed-out results and keeps legibility. Make sure to preview at 100% to verify sharpness and finish by rendering your sequence and checking frames for color accuracy and edge crispness. If the inverted text loses contrast, add a subtle drop shadow or an outer stroke to separate it from the background. When things go wrong, inspect whether effects are on the adjustment layer versus the text layer. Placement changes results. If colors look off, toggle individual RGB inversion or apply a quick Lumetri correction to restore balance. Finally, export using a high-quality preset so the inversion remains faithful in the final file.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.